This past summer, I participated in the Corvette Caravan to head down for the 25th anniversary of the Corvette Museum, joining a lot of my fellow Corvette enthusiasts. And it just so happened that Corsa had set up a tent for discounted installs of the cross pipe for the C7. So I went ahead and popped for the double helix cross pipe in the Corvette, and this is the install of that. As you can see, they have several lifts already there. This is my Grand Sport up on the lift right now, and it takes a team of their installers mere minutes to do what a shade tree mechanic would probably take most of a day to do. They quickly disassembled the existing plate and removed the factory cross pipe without delay and put on the new cross pipe, and I think the whole install might have taken 10 minutes, 15 at the most, but I've got some great sound clips for you, so let's listen to what the exhaust sounded like beforehand, and then we'll get some clips of it sounding afterwards, along with a special treat, a tale of the drag-in run with the new X-Pipe. Is there a diameter in the change in the pipe from stock to that? I know it's 3 in the... Yeah, is it the same? Is it the same as stock or no? Quarter inch bigger. Quarter inch bigger, all from in the back toward the motor. Cool. That's why it takes these guys 10 minutes. It would take me 2 hours. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the way that the Corsa crosspipe turned out. It gives you like a nice little extra growl in the exhaust. Burbles are perfect, and it doesn't drone or have any other negative effects. The install was super clean, super fast, and if you purchase your crosspipe at a Corvette event like Bloomington Gold or the Corvette Bash at the museum, you're sure to get the best price and quickest install. All in all, this was an awesome purchase, and I cannot recommend it highly enough. So for Sons of Speed, this has been Brendan Appel. Please hit the subscribe button. Let us know what you think about the Corsa crosspipe, and if you're running a different one, let us know about that as well. And we'll catch you next time here on Corvette Corner.